In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Kimi AI app on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to kimi.moonshot.cn. Once the website loads, tap the Kimi logo, then tap the phone icon located below the login button. You'll see a QR code that you can scan to download the Kimi AI app. If you don't want to scan the QR code, you can also open the direct download page by visiting kimi.moonshot.cn/download/app. On the download page, scroll down until you see the Android and iPhone options. If you're using an Android device, tap Android to download the Kimi APK file. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, tap the APK file, and install the app. After installation, launch the app and accept the terms to get started. Keep in mind that the Android app is currently available mainly in Chinese, as it's still being developed. An English version is expected to be released in the future,